Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Pro for Cricket Wireless. So the iPhone 15 Pro is now here at Cricket Wireless. You guys could see that only the natural titanium color is in stock for the 128GB iPhone 15 Pro here. So you guys will have 4 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1TB of storage. So you guys will have 4 colors to choose from there. So for the 128GB iPhone 15 Pro, it is $999.99. The 256GB iPhone 15 Pro is $1099.99. And it looks like that the natural titanium is out of stock for the 256GB iPhone 15 Pro. Alright, so that's interesting. So yeah, you guys will have black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and blue titanium color options there. So yeah, and then for the 512GB iPhone 15 Pro, that is $1299.99. It looks like all the colors are in stock here on the 512GB version of the iPhone 15 Pro. So that's nice. Yeah, so yeah, all the color options are in stock for the 512GB version, and then the 1TB version, that is $1499.99. And you guys have the same color options, and it looks like all color options are in stock for the 512GB version and the 1TB version. So depending on what color that you guys want, you guys might have to pick and choose the storage option depending on what color that you guys want. So keep that in mind. So yeah, all storage options are in stock except for all storage options are in stock. But it depends on what color that you guys want, so keep that in mind. Yeah, so there's the iPhone 15 Pro. You guys got your card out there for your dynamic island. Power button on the right side of the phone. Left side of the phone has your volume keys and your action button that is new to the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. On the back of the phone is a triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo, right side of the phone. Power button and your antennas there for your 5G and stuff like that. Back of the phone, like I just said, triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo. Alright, so the iPhone 15 Pro has a 6.1-inch display, 48 megapixel main camera, 4 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1TB of storage. It says that iPhone 15 Pro forged in titanium and featuring the groundbreaking A17 Pro chip, a customizable action button, and the most powerful iPhone camera system ever. Features: display. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion ramps up refresh rates to 120Hz when you need exceptional graphics performance. Dynamic island bubbles up alerts and live activities. Plus with always on display, your lock screen stays glanceable, so you don't have to tap in to stay in the know. Camera. Get incredible framing flexibility with 7 Pro lenses. Capture super high resolution photos with more color and detail using the 48 megapixel main camera, and take sharp close-ups from far away with the 3x telephoto camera on iPhone 15 Pro. Safety. If your car breaks down when you're off the grid, you can get help with roadside assistance via satellite. And if you need emergency services and you don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, you can use emergency SOS via satellite. With crash detection, iPhone can detect a severe car crash and call for help if you can't. So that is a very nice feature to have. Specs: the iPhone 15 Pro, it has iOS 17, of course. The dimensions are 5.77 inches height, 2.78 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. Display 6.1 inches OLED display. The memory is wrong. It shouldn't say 64. It should not say 64 gigs. It shouldn't say that. It's 4 storage options: 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, or 1 terabyte of storage. Connectivity options include 5G sub-6 gigahertz and millimeter wave, 5G, gigabit LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3. Camera: Pro camera system, 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the 12 megapixel telephoto camera lens on the back. Processor: it has an A17 Pro chip, new 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores, new 6-core GPU, new 16-core neutral engine, battery, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and the compatibilities there. If you guys are looking for accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro, go to Amazon to get that. Yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 Pro is now here at Quick and Wireless. All four storage options are in stock, but depending on what color that you guys want, you guys might have to pick and choose your storage option and color efficiently, so to keep it in mind. Yeah, very nice looking phone. It has the promotion. It has the Pro Motion technology. So basically, what that means is that you can have your screen up to 120 hertz, which is very nice to have. And yeah, the titanium bill is awesome to have. So I wonder if it's scratch resistant. I'm not sure about that. Probably is. I'm not sure. So very cool. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 Pro. Now here at Quick and Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's my all luck, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.